Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and as I promised, I'm going to share with you some updates regarding the prices of the tokens. The DRK, the DPET token, the MNG, the Moon Nation Game na token, the REVO token, and also the MONSTA. If you feature ko rin si MONSTA later on. No? So, let's start. Okay, so before we start talking about those tokens that I have mentioned, I'm just going to share with you an update regarding what happened to Bitcoin. So nag-bounce siya sa kanyang great support, no? Bago lang. So dito siya nag-bounce, guys. And hopefully, no, the volume could really push, no, the price of the Bitcoin further high pa. Ayan. So ito yung if you are a trader of Bitcoin, so ito yung masa-suggest ko lang. Ayan, ito yung kanyang pinaka-resistance level, 'di ba? Nasa ano tayo guys ha, 1 day na time frame. So this is the major resistance of Bitcoin. Ayan, sa 64,928, no? Tsaka nag-bounce siya dito sa 29,437. So, since that is the major resistance, lagyan natin siya ng extension. Ayan. And then, let's get this bounce here. Ito siya. Alright. So, ayan guys, no? Ito yung aabangan nating price ni Bitcoin kung talagang tataas na siya. Okay, so this is the 0.618 of Bitcoin. I am using the Fibonacci retracement extension, no? From the major resistance down to this bounce. Ayan. And then, this is also another 0.618 ni Bitcoin. Itong bounce niya, yung 29,400, 29,178 rather. So, itong bounce na to guys, this is a major support. This is at 0.618 na ratio, no, ni Fibonacci. That's why the coin kept on bouncing in this area. Ayan. So, ito yung aabangan natin. Let's use the Fibonacci retracement. Ayan. Kung saan ba tayo pwedeng pumasok, no? If ever you want to trade for Bitcoin, this is what I can suggest. The best time to make an entry if ever you want to buy and sell the coin. Ayan. Dito sa 0.618 na to. Okay, this one. Okay, so once the candles, guys, breaks this line, itong 43,139, ito siya. Once the coins break that ratio, ayan, the price will really go higher pa. Okay, that's the best time to trade Bitcoin. So for now, we have to wait for Bitcoin's price to reach that price. Okay? So hopefully talaga tuloy-tuloy na yung ating yung pagtaas ng price ni Bitcoin. So yan yung ating aabangan na price ni Bitcoin. Okay? So that's it, a very short update lang regarding sa price ni Bitcoin. Now let's go to the different tokens I have mentioned a while ago. Let's start with, of course, in my DeFi pet, no, nangunguna siya. Ayan. Edit ko lang yung aking screen. Okay, ayan, no? Nasa gilid na ako, nasa kabila. Okay, so let's have a look of the prices that we have to take note for DPET. Ayan, gawa natin siya ng Fibonacci retracement. Ayan, from here to here. So, ano yung price na itataas ni DPET? Okay. As of now, the DPET is at 0.5 na ratio ni Fibonacci. Ayan. It actually tried to break the 618, but ayan no, malakas yung kanyang resistance. Ang taas. Tingnan niyo yung yung wick niya, oh. Yan, ang hahaba ng wick, no? So, very strong yung resistance niya. So, you have to wait, guys, for a strong candle to break this line, no? Itong 0.618, itong $6.7, no? Once this line, guys, is broken by the candles, by strong candles, ha? Hindi yung matataas yung wick. Kapag yan na-break ng strong candles, the price will really go higher pa. Okay? And you have to take note of this line kasi baka magkaroon ng divergence. Ayan. Pero kung walang divergence, walang breakout, walang false breakout na magaganap, ayan, the price might reach this point pa, no, $8 again. Okay? So those are the prices that you have to take note for DPET. Ayan. Itong $6.7, dapat ma-break yan ng DPET na coin for it to go higher up to $7. If there is no divergence there, the price might still go higher pa up to $8. Alright? Sa mga magtatanong kung magdidip pa siya, we will see, no? You have to wait pa na bumaba pa talaga siya. Ayan. Okay, but ano kasi, since Bitcoin is the mother Bitcoin, ayan, since the price of the Bitcoin is going higher na, di ba? The tendency is the other coins, the other tokens will also go higher. Ayan, no? Yan yung nangyayari. Sumasabay lang yung other coins kay BTC. Kaya nga may biglang pagbagsak rin ng prices ng ibang coins lately because of what happened to Bitcoin. Bumaba rin siya. And since the Bitcoin bounced at 618 na line niya, yung ibang coins din tataas na rin sila. Sasabay lang din sila sa flow ni Bitcoin. Okay? And so that's it for my DPET. If possible, you have to write down the prices that you have to take note. Ako ginagawa ko rin yan, no? Abang-abangan talaga. And so if you trade for DPET, the coin, you have to wait for the candles to break the 0.618. Okay? And then sell at $7 or $8. Okay? Check tayo ng ating chart. Tsaka sa mga nagtatanong, bakit yung aking chart walang options dito sa gilid? You just have to click this part. Ito, oh. Ito siya. Okay, ganyan kasi siya pag hindi mo siya i-click. But if you click this part, ito, ayan, lumalabas na yung options. Alright? So sa ngayon, if you will check the MACD, it's still in a range. Ayan, so hintay lang tayo, no, na matapos yung range market ni DPET. Okay? So let's go to DRK. Ayan, ito naman kay DRK. So nasa 1 hour tayo na time frame. So let's plot our Fibonacci. And same lang sa DRK, yung sinabi ko sa inyo last time, na kailangan ninyong i-take note na prices. Ang layo. Ayan, ito siya. Ito kasi yung ATH niya, oh, before pa. So same lang kay DRK, guys. Please take note. Pakisulat if you have pen and paper with you. Ayan. So far, si DRK is, yan. Okay, so we just have to wait, no, for DRK to also break this ATH, no. Ito yung inaabangan ko kay DRK. Once itong ATH na itong all-time high ni DRK, kasi nakapasok na siya sa 0.618, tapos nag-bounce siya sa kanyang 0.5. Malakas din itong 0.5 ni DRK. Ayan, no? Kapag ito, guys, lumabas tong candles na to sa ATH niya dito sa all-time high, which is $0.49, talagang tataas pa tong price ni DRK. Okay? So, yan yung abang-abangan nyo kay DRK, itong 0.4 or mag $0.05 yan, talagang tataas pa sa DRK. So, sa mga hodlers ng DRK na nakabili dito sa baba, nakabili ako at 0.68 centavos pa yun, na dito ako nakabili nun. 0.01 pa yung price ni DRK that time. So, if you are a hodler of DRK coin, tapos nakabili ka dito sa baba, good for you, no? Congratulations. Kasi talagang kapag itong all-time high ni DRK nabasag ng candles, it's gonna go higher pa and magti-triple, quadruple pa yung investment mo during this time, no? Dito sa panahon na mababa pa yung kanyang price. Yan. So that's it for DRK. You have to take note of the ATH. Ito yung inaabangan ko lang talaga kay DRK kasi nabasa niya na yung 0.618 niya eh. So this time, the all-time high is what I'm waiting for DRK to break. Alright, that's it for DRK token. Now let's go to REVO price. Ito. So we're expecting for REVO also to go higher. Ayan, plot natin si Fib. Ayan, no? So, sa ngayon, mababa pa siya, nasa mababa pa na area. 1 hour time frame to. So wait for it to break the 0.618 again. Ayan. Or kapag na-break itong 0.382, that's already a good sign. No? Itong $0.43. And once the price is broken, you have to wait for the 0.52 be broken also by the candles, $0.47. And pinakamagandang sign once the candles break the 0.618. Okay, ito siya. $0.5. So kapag ito siya nabasag, it's gonna go higher pa up to, babalik siya sa price na $0.6. Okay? And once that happens, the price would really go higher pa. But always take note of the divergence. You have to check always your RSI to avoid mga false breakout. Okay, so ayan, no, you have to spot for any divergence. Ayan. Okay, so that's it for the REVO token. So yun yung mga kailangan yung i-take note na prices. Okay, so now let's go to the MNG, the Moon Nation game na token. I'm very excited about this game. Lalo na they have the concept of passport. Ayan. Dito tayo mag-plot up to here. Okay. So, as of now, mababa pa yung price ni MNG, no? Yan. So, you have to wait, guys, for it to break again the 0.382. Take note nyo yung price na $0.01586. So, kapag ito na-break na naman ng candles, that's a good sign that the price would go higher pa up to 0.5, no? Fibonacci natin, ayan, 0.01849. And once that happens, guys, it's gonna go higher pa up to 618. So, hintay-hintay lang talaga, no? There will be a lot of bounces that's gonna happen there every time the candles touch the support and resistance. But that's fine. You just have to really wait for what direction the candles would go, no? If talagang mabe-break niya ba yung resistance or yung support ba. Okay? But if this resistance na 0.618, itong $0.02100 is broken by the candles, the price would really go higher pa up to this point. Okay, up to 0.02985. But again, you have to take note of any divergence that you spot, no, in your RSI. Alright. Tingnan nga natin yung kanyang RSI. This is just very quick, no, na update. So, change natin to into 30. So, whenever you trade on a parabolic play, maganda yung 30, plot your Fibonacci at 1 hour or 30 minutes na time frame. Yan, tingnan natin. Okay. So, kung pansin nyo guys, there is a divergence here that really tells you that the price would really go down. Okay? Tingnan nyo ha. Ito siya. Whenever I plot the divergence, ayan, palagi yan siya sa oversold or overbought. Okay, mas madali ko siyang ma-spot if nasa oversold or overbought yung RSI. Ayan. Yan yung kanyang RSI. Ayun, yan yung divergence niya. Okay. Tingnan nyo. Actually, meron siyang secret. Paano mo malalaman that the divergence is gonna go down ba or a signal of going up na price. So as you can see, this is a divergence that tells you that the price would really go down, and talaga no, it really eventually it went down. Ayan. Okay? So, abang-abangan nyo yung prices na sinabi ko kanina kay MNG, no? You really have to wait for those prices to be broken by the candles and the price would really go higher pa. So, ngayon, nasa mababang price pa siya, nasa mababang part pa siya ng fib. So, this is one of the best times to really buy the coin, no? While the price is still down. That's it for MNG. Now let's go to Cake Monster. And maganda yung Cake Monster. I've already went through I've already read by their protocol. Ay maganda yung kanilang protocol which I will share with you guys later. In my other video. Okay. So ito siya sa Cake Monster. And then let's try. Ano, mababa pa yung price niya, guys. So once this candle, guys, breaks this 0.382, that's already a sign that the price might go higher pa. Okay? So abang-abangan niyo yung price niya na 0.00051116. And kapag ito nabasag ulit ng candles, it's gonna go higher pa up to 0.5. But expect na there will be bounces there. Ayan. Pero kapag na-break itong candle na, itong line no, na 0.05 ng Fibonacci natin, it's gonna go higher pa up to 0.618. So, abangan nyo itong price na ma-break ito ni Cookie Monster, ni Monsta. Okay? Itong 0.0007118. Kapag ito siya na-break ni Monsta, no, pwede namang hindi nyo abangan si 3.8 at si 0.5. Abangan nyo na lang si 618 kung naguguluhan na kayo. So, if you're still hesitant, no, you can just wait for the candles to break this line, this 0.618 at 0.000718. And once this line is broken by the candles, it's gonna go higher pa up to this point. Okay. Up to 0.001. Alright. But again, you have to always take note of the divergence, no? Para baka kasi akala nyo, if ever na magti-trade kayo ng Monsta, if it is already tradable, ayan, so baka maipit no yung coin nyo kasi akala nyo tataas pa siya tapos divergence na pala and a signal of going down na yung prices nakabili ka na sa taas. False breakout play pala yon. So maiipit yung pera mo. Ayan. Okay lang kung nasa spot ka lang, no? But if you are trading in futures, example lang ha, I'm not really talking about Monsta lang, but in other coins also. So, ayan, no? If ever nasa futures ka, baka maliquidate ka. Okay, so you have to take note of the divergence. It's really gonna help you to spot false breakout plays. Okay? So, that's it. I guess I am very hopeful that the prices of the coins really go higher pa because of what is happening to Bitcoin. Ayan. So, ito yung inaabangan ko. Once Bitcoin reaches this point, itong 0.618, ito siya, pag ma-break to ni Bitcoin, that's the moment na mag-trade ulit ako. Kasi I stopped trading on this part na. Ayan. Nahirapan na ako. So I'm just going to wait for this line and I'm back to trading cryptocurrency. So again, trading is a gaming probability. There is no 100% accuracy in predicting the flow of the market, the prices in the market. So again, I still encourage you to do your own research and you also apply whatever indicators, whatever strategy you use in trading. So this is my best way and I hope that it has helped you. Alright, so thank you so much guys, and sa mga nagre-request pa ng video sa akin, ng mga reviews and so on, mga tutorials, hinay-hinay lang, and ang dami ko pa kasing sooner mag-upload din ako. But thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys and have a great day. Bye!